All right, Papu.
All right, you ready?
Micah. Babe, what are you doing with that big old spoon? Stop playing with me.
Gotcha. Look at you, look at you. Hey, out the spoon, not the jar.
So this is sweet potatoes and not too much, babe. Oh my gosh. This is sweet potato puree made with homemade breast milk. The breast milk is from Valerie Pierre. And we're trying it out. How you liking it, Micah? You got food all over your face.
Some real green poops now.
You like it? Little by little. Good job, Babu. Good job. Good job. Oh, my baby's eating.